Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. So how much time do we really spend on getting the perfect shade of foundation online, and often end up picking up the wrong one, the wrong shade, which is really mismatched to our skin, as well as we end up wasting a lot of money right there. So if you are tired of this endless journey of getting hands on the right shade of foundation, this video gonna be a game changer for you guys. Let me show it to you now. The first foundation I ever got online was the Sugar foundation. It was years back when I got hands on this. So here the shade is written 50. I'll be linking, you will be seeing the name, what the foundation name is, but this is the shade I got, and let me swatch and tell you the exact color and how it matches to my skin right now, and how much time and money I have wasted, you will be seeing. So this is the one I got years back, and let me tell you. Okay, so if you can see, let me zoom it. So if you can see, so this is the color. This was the first foundation ever that I got from Sugar, shade number 50. Thinking the description of the website that was given, I thought this will be the perfect shade, and you can see how mismatched the color is. Moving to the next purchase that I did after getting Sugar is the Maybelline foundation. It is used to be one of the a little match to my skin, but I struggled a lot to find them. Like thoda bahut mushkil hui thi. So this is the shade called 332, and let me show it to you how the foundation is. Okay, so this is the color. It's there, but then again, I need much more lighter than the one right here. So you can see the difference. Okay, so this is the skin color, this is the next foundation. Again, another mismatched color, doesn't suit me now. So this is the two mistakes I did. Moving to the next one, again another one is from the Fit Me range as well. This shade is called 128 number shade from Fit Me Maybelline. So I am swatching this here right now so that you can see. Okay, so this one again is very wide, not at all my shade, but somewhere due to, as I purchased all the three, so I wanted to like use all of them. So what I used to do is mix match करके सब एक के ऊपर एक को मिला के on different concentration, I used to mix match all of this and get a perfect shade. But this was all the kahani of the story of when I didn't used to know about the website thing, and when मेरे को पता नहीं था इस website के बारे में, and I was like struggling a lot there. So this was my struggle. Now coming to the point where my struggle ends and Findation.com enters. So recently I came across this website called the Findation.com, where you can get your the perfect shade of your foundation without any trial and error method, and you can ace the flawless base makeup that you are aiming for, and within like few seconds you will be getting all the references of the shades from various brands right there, both international and nationally available brands that we often find now. Okay, so I am showing you in real time how it looks like. So first what you will go at the Google and type this name called Findation.com. Here you go, this site opening right now. So from that you will click on the first site, which is Findation.com, and you will do this analysis carried on. It's called Get Started. You will go here, and first step 1, it says so enter the brand of the foundation or concealer that you wear. So I will be doing this one, the 332, along with I will be this one right here. These two, when I use, I get the perfect shade match. So these are the two references I will be putting here in the test, the analysis, and then we will be fetching out what the exact shade match is. So first one, I will be typing this shade right here. It's called the Maybelline. So the brand name is Maybelline. So I will type Maybelline right here. So then I will be going to the product you use from Maybelline. I will be giving the Fit Me foundation. Fit Me foundation, yeah, the original one, the Fit Me foundation. Then it says finally select the shade you wear with the product. So I wear the 332 Golden Caramel. Now, this is the one you have one option, one product already you have selected. Now, I will go with another one to get the perfect match, because this also isn't the exact perfect one. So even if the current one which you are using, it's not the perfect shade of yours, you can also use this website. So this is the one. Next, I use this one, then I can get the actual shade. So this is the concealer of Fit Me, which is shade number 25. So I will type here another match, and I will go with the Maybelline here again because it's from the Fit Me range. Then I will go the Fit Me concealer. Sorry, Fit Me concealer. So I got the Fit Me concealer. Then I will choose the product. This is for the 25 medium. So here we go. We have the 25 medium. So these are the two options I have chosen here, and I will now do the Find My Matches to get the exact shade of me now. Okay, so from here, after the results comes, we can see this recommendation ka browser right here. So we got all the shade matches of ours in all the brands name as well. Like we have the Maybelline, Sumang, Neutrogena, Nurse, Elegant, Lakme, whatever you find in the market, and whatever the brand you prefer to use, you can find all the brands name right here in their correct shade that will match you. So whatever your preference of brand is, you will be getting it on the recommendation list. So not only the particular brand का तुमको shade मिलेगा, all right there available on the market. You can get hands on from the recommendation results. So for trying this website, I have also selected the L'Oreal one. So to check whether the website works perfectly or not, I got hands on the L'Oreal Inflammable Foundation, which is a 32-hour wear foundation, and in the shade called 140 Golden Beige. So this is the one I'm talking about. So this is the foundation that I got hands on. I'll be taking some on back of my hand. So this much. Okay, so I did see many of the people who gets their foundation ऐसे हाथ पे लगा के check करके the offline stores I'm talking about, but that is exactly that is not the correct way of getting your foundation. अगर तुमको correct shade चाहिए, please swatch it on your face to get the exact shade. So let me now try it. Okay, then I got this sponge. I will go now. Let me cover at this portion of my face entirely. Okay, so I have completed my full face of foundation. So one side I did with the sponge, like this side I have done with sponge. And to check the shade is actually perfect or not, this side I have used this, the brush things to spread the foundation. So this is how the even skin tone I got after using this foundation right here, which I have obviously got recommendation from the foundation.com website. So this is one of the hack you can use to get your perfect shade without wasting any money right there, because that is really precious for you. I know for everyone it is. So तुम कितना ही money और तुम्हारा energy spend करोगे in getting the perfect shade, you can obviously go check the foundation.com link and get yourself hands on the the perfect shade for yourself within 15 seconds of analysis stage that they perform on their website. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up and comment down below how helpful it was for you guys, and whether you guys already know this hack or not. So that's it. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so big. Bye.